walking around and thinking for a bit.
And then it hits you.
It's like a light bulb goes off.
You have
The greatest idea ever.
ever
That's what you're watching.
adventure in the making.
It's an adventure in the making.
Adventure in the making.
And that's right, you just came into a new YouTube channel called Make It or Break It, where we review and you decide, is this product to make it or is this product to break it? So here's what I need you to do.
Click that subscribe button.
Click that bell notification
And smash that thumbs up.
because this is going to be epic. That's right, you are in Make It or Break It. And here we go.